going to look at the top 4 most richest PSL club owners in South Africa. On number 1, we have Shaun Mamkhize. Mamkhize is the owner and president of the football club Royal AM. Mamkhize and his son Andy Lempisane, who is the club's chairperson, formed Royal AM Football Club. The club was originally called Royal Eagles FC and was based in Mpumalanga. In 2019, the Lempisane family bought Rail Kings FC and renamed it Royal AM FC. The club is now based in Pietermaritzburg and plays at Chatsworth Stadium in Durban. On number 2, we have Arvin Khoza. Arvin Khoza is a South African football administrator and a businessman. He is the chairperson of Orlando Pirates Club, chairperson of the South African Premier Soccer League, and by virtue of this, vice president of the South African Football Association. His relationship with Orlando Pirates started in 1980 when he became its secretary and owner in 1991. As the chairperson of the Premier Soccer League, he was instrumental in securing the current sponsors of the league, the DStv. He was also the chairman of the 2010 FIFA World Cup Organizing Committee, South Africa, after serving as the chairperson of South Africa's 2010 FIFA World Cup bid. On our number 3, we have Patrice Motsepe. Patrice Motsepe is a South African billionaire businessman and a mining magnate. Motsepe began his career as a lawyer, working for a law firm in Johannesburg. Then in 1994, he founded the Future Mining, a company that provided mining services to large mining companies. Patrice Motsepe is the owner and the chairman of the Mamelodi Sundowns Football Club, a professional soccer team based in Pretoria, South Africa. He acquired the club in 2003 and has since transformed it into one of the most successful and valuable teams in Africa football in the net salary of 52.2 billion. And on our number 4, we have Kaizer Motaung. Kaizer Motaung is a South African football legend, entrepreneur, and the founder of the Kaizer Chiefs Football Club. Motaung began his football career playing for local clubs in Soweto, including the Orlando Pirates itself. Then in 1964, he moved to the United States to play for the Alcatraz, becoming one of the first African players to compete in the North American Soccer League. And then in 1970, Motaung returned to South Africa and founded Kaizer Chiefs Football Club, which was initially called Kaizer Chiefs FC. The club quickly gained popularity and became one of the most successful teams in South African football history.